Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to increase page file size or virtual memory in Windows 11 or 10 PC. Windows uses page files to increase the availability of active applications rather than letting them idle. If the page file size is low, you will get a message stating your system is low on virtual memory. You will see something like this. In this video, we will guide you on how to increase page file size or virtual memory in Windows 11 or 10 PC. Although default page size should be enough, if you get such an error message, you need to increase the size of your virtual memory or page file or paging file. To increase page file system via system properties in Windows 11 or 10 PC, first click on this one start button at the taskbar, and here you need to search advanced system. Just type advanced system and then click on this one view advanced system settings option. Under system properties, switch to this one advanced tab, and then under this one performance section, click on this one settings button. Now again click on this one advanced tab. Here you will find virtual memory section. By default, it is managed by Windows. To increase it, click on this one change button. Now uncheck this one option that says automatically manage paging file size for all drives. Just uncheck it and select this one Windows installation drive. Mostly it will be C drive for every almost all Windows operating system. Just select this one C drive. In case you have installed Windows on another drive, select another drive, then click on this one custom size option. Here you can set the initial size in MB. Suppose you want to set a virtual memory for 1 GB, just type 1024. This will set 1 GB minimum size for virtual memory that will be reserved by Windows. And now type the maximum size. For instance, you can set it 2 GB. You can increase more according to your needs. In case it does not solve this issue of virtual memory error, after setting a initial size and maximum size, click on this one set button, then click on this one OK button, click on OK button, click on apply button, click on OK button, click on OK button. Finally, click on this one restart now button to apply the changes of virtual memory. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, kindly subscribe it, and if helps you, then press thumbs up. Bye bye.